Page 22, Serenade. On page 21, they're introducing 3 new notes for the bass clef, for the bottom staff there. They show them there, the C, D, and the E. And again, it's going to be up to you to memorize those as quickly as you can. So you write in the letter names across. They give you a line for that. And then toward the bottom, they want you to draw in the whole note and half notes and all that for each of those 3. The first line, you do E's. The E is the middle, the upper middle space. E, you find it, and then you do the D and the C. Then on the transposing, they want you to write in the same letter name, but in the first line, it's an octave higher, so you're going to do it in this treble clef. So on the C, C, D, E, well, you do that in the treble clef. C, C, D, E. You just write in the notes with the same letter name up there. And then the second line, it's the bass clef you're writing in for a C, D, E. You come down here, C, D, E. You write in those notes for those. Let me know if you have questions. Now, Serenade uses these new notes in the left hand, because this is for left hand only. The top staff's empty, except for the rest. So let's look this over. It's 2 lines long, 4/4 time. No sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key is C major. Remember I said that? C major. And as I said, these are using the new notes for the bass clef. So you start a little finger here, put you here. And half notes and whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. So make sure you can go through and you know these notes. You can play these notes. If you have to, drill yourself. So say the note and play it. C, D, E, D, C, F, F, E, D. So just drill yourself. You need to know the names of these notes instantly. It takes time, but you'll get there. Then once you can do that, let's go back to the Play With Me section and play along with me. Make sure you have the right note at the right time. I'm going to give us 4 counts here. Let's just try it together slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now there's an accompaniment at the bottom. I'd like to play that. When you play what you just played, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Now let's do it together. Now there's a bunch of rests in the accompaniment, so I'm going to play a note during the rest because I need to play something on the beat so we can stay together. 1, 2, ready, go.